Here's a 2017 Ford Explorer. Aptly named, handsomely appointed. When people talk about the beautiful scenery, they'll be talking about this Explorer too. Features include twin-turbo V6 engine, dual-zone climate control, streaming audio, automated parking sensors, heated steering wheel, Wi-Fi hotspot, external memory control, power sliding and tilting sunroof, memory exterior door mirror settings, and integrated navigation system. New car test drive rights. For many years, the Ford Explorer has been one of the best-selling SUVs in the market. A capable tow vehicle and off-roader, the Explorer also offers the generous interior space, comfort features, and safety technologies necessary for day-to-day tasks. Ford, where tradition meets innovation. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
At Metropolitan Ford, you'll always get a great experience and a great price. Stop in and see us today. We're conveniently located off Plaza Drive in Eden Prairie.